Hello all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mikey. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Today I'm going to be fitting my new LaVivid hair system. This is the Mirage hair system, but it is the ZeoGuard base. So I'm really excited to try this. So come and fit it with me. So first things first, I wash the base. I find skin bases are so much easier to wash. So I'm just using a clarifying shampoo just to give that base a good scrub. So after I have washed the system, I set that aside and I start to shave my patch. I use clippers rather than a razor. I do this because I don't want to have any sort of uncomfortable regrowth underneath, and I find that if you use a razor like you would to shave your face, it can cause irritation for me, so I just use the clippers instead. So then I try and place the system on my head so I get the back of the system right the way to the back of my patch, and I roll the system forward to see where it fits and where I need to mark it up. And as you can see here, I use a white eyeliner pencil just to mark out where that hairline lays, so I can put the glue up to about 1 centimetre or so behind it. And that's because I like to re-go in afterwards and glue down that front piece of hairline. Then what I do, I lay the front of the hair system down. I do this by pushing it forward from behind. What I have noticed, the thinner the hair system, the more tricky this is, but you'll get the hang of it, no problem. And as I said earlier, this is where I then lay a layer of glue just at the front. And this is how it turned out after I had it cut. Let me know what you think. I've missed being Spiky Mikey, so I'm really happy with how this turned out.